Hello great people, you are welcome back to Physique Fashion House channel. My name is Fola. We appreciate as many that has stuck with this channel. Thank you very much. Today we'll be learning how to make one beautiful asymmetric neckline dress. For this project we'll be making use of Ankara fabric of about 2.5 years, because the dress is long sleeve. You need 2.5 to 3 years for this short dress, and you need your lining, you need your fusible interfacing and the likes. So let's get started. Now to draft the pattern of that dress, here I come with the half length of my pattern. So I already have this pattern, basic body. We have 17 inches as a half length, 8.5 as our chest line, 10 inches bust point, 13 inches on the bust, waistline 17 inches. Then I have my joining allowance both in shoulder and the waistline region. Then I have my bust span of 3.5 inches, that is nipple to nipple 7 inches divided by 2, 3.5 here, 3.5 here. I connect it with straight ruler. My shoulder length is 14 divided by 2, give me 7 inches. I get 7 inches on the chest line as well, connect it with straight ruler. Then I measure the bust circumference, which is 32 divided by 4, that's 8 inches. Then I connect. I step inward at the midpoint of this line after shoulder slope of 1 inch. Midpoint is 3.75. I step inward like a ½ inch to 3/4. Then I connect it. You get your armhole cuff. Next thing is to get the cup. We come to the under bust length, come to this side with 1.5, then go to this side with ½ of an inch. Do the same thing down here, 1.5. You connect from the bust point to the under bust length with your cuff. Then to get your princess darts, you get the midpoint of this cuff, armhole cuff. You have 8 inches here, get 4 inches. Then you connect. Then you step out with 1 inch slightly. So before you step out on this line, come up with ½ an inch, come down with ½ an inch. Then connect. Then this 1 inch, ½ an inch, ½ an inch, making 1 inch. So you step out with 1 inch. Then you come to this side, this 1 inch, you get it here as well. Then you connect. First of all, connect this. So you get your new armhole cuff through this. So this is our new armhole cuff now. So then you get your horizontal measurements. We are working with under bust 26 divided by 4, give us 6.5. You return this 2 inches. Come to this side, the waist is 27 divided by 4, give us 6.75. you return the 2 inches you have in there. Then you connect it. So then you get your side dart by stepping down with a 1.5. Then connect to the pulse point. Get the midpoint of this 0.75. Connect it. You measure this, whatever you're having here will be transferred to this center front. You have 5.4. So the same thing is stop there. Some can extend out of the joining. So that's it. The next thing is for us to cut it. This is it. I will not, this is for the princess cuffs. I will not cut out this basic neckline. Now I will just notch it. So what I will do is I will use this to go and cut out my fabric. So after cutting out my fabric, I join it together. So that is the time I will now open it and come and draw out the that's our asymmetric neckline. So let me go and use this to cut out the fabric. We are going to add half an inch to this side, half an inch to this side. Then for the side seam allowance, you add 1 or 1.5 inches to the side, half an inch this side. So half an inch to 1.5 inches to the side seam. For the back pattern, the first thing you do is you measure 1 inch. Measure 1 inch down here, then you connect it. That is for the zipper allowance. Then note that the back cut is going to be reduced with 1.5, as we have 17 for the half length in the front. So half back is going to be 15.5 joining allowance. So even for the back, you can choose not to cut it at the half back. You can just cut your fabric direct straight down, and you can join it. So whichever, just note that back will be reduced with that 1.5 side that's in the front. So the next thing is to get the midpoint A, step inward with a cutter. Get your bust circumference of 32 inches divided by 4 was 8 inches. Connect it. So I'm not going to do, back is not going to be princess cut. I will do normal basic body for the back. So I get the waist on the waistline, 27 divided by 4, 6.75. Then I come to the left and to the right on this line with half an inch. connect it. I return this 1 inch. Then I shape the back, stepping out with 1/2 inch to avoid the zipper bulging. Then I connect. So this 1/2 inch, return it as well. I will be using 1.5 to step down this back. Then I add my joining allowance of 1 inch for the side, 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here. So then this is the back pattern. I've gone ahead to cut out my fabric with the pattern, cut out the line and the interfacing. So the next thing is for me to go and gum the interfacing to the fabric, then join the dart together. 1/2 inch is being added here, 0.5. So I did the same thing for the back cuts. Let me go and join this. So thereafter, come and open it and draw our asymmetric neckline. Yeah, I've gone ahead to join the princess dart together. This is the lining here. So the next thing is to go to the business of today. So and then this is where I notch. That's the wideness of the neckline width. This is the center. So in the center, just step down like 6.5, the 6 inches then, plus the joining allowance there, 6.5. Then you grab your cuff, connect from the neckline width where it is notched. Then you connect to the armpit region. Then you step up like 1 to 1.5 inches. Come in here like 2 inches. Then take your cuff rule again, connect to this point. trying to curve it here. This is what I will be cutting out now. So ensure that both lining and the main fabric is cut out together. So the neckline is being cut now. This is it. So the next thing is to go and join it together and join the lining and the fabric together, then cut the down parts. So this is our point of attraction in this project.